Hey, it's Alex from the Wacky Chels here with another wonderful product review for you. This is the Poweradd Mobile Power LE011 5200 milliamp. And for the size that it is, for the power that it has, it packs a punch. We'll just go ahead and unbox this thing. Right out of the box, you have everything that you need. Just a wonderful sized battery pack, instruction manual that is for your lovely nighttime bedside reading, because it's a lengthy one. And then we have our AC adapter, our USB to micro USB cable. All this right here is what you get when you order the Poweradd LE011. We'll go ahead and jump right into the specs on this wonderful device. First off, as you can see, it is really compact, really small, but like I said, it packs a punch. Just to give you a reference, if you've seen the Galaxy S3, there you go. Thickness, size, overall dimensions, it fits comfortably in your hand, fits comfortably in your pocket. It's not heavy. And this is your AC adapter for when you need to plug it into your wall. USB. We'll go ahead and jump right into the actual product itself. It is, like I said, 5200 milliamps. It has an input of 5 volt and 1 amp in, and output the same of 5 volts and 1 amp out. It only has the one output, so you can't dual charge anything, it's just single charge only. Right on the front we have light indicator. You press that, it'll show you how much your battery is at, the status of it, between 1 and 4 lights. Has the input, output, and a light on here. To turn on the light, you do have to long press the indicator button for about 3 seconds. It turns that guy on. It's not very bright, but it does the job in a quick fix if you need to find your keys for those emergencies. And to turn it off, again, a long press for about 3 seconds, and off it goes. Right out of the box, it does come with fully charged. All 4 lights are lit. That is how I received it. Okay, this thing, it can charge a vast array of devices. It can charge your phones, it can charge your iPods, your iPads, your Kindle Fires. It only comes with the USB to micro, so if you have an iPad or an Apple accessory, you will need those connectors. So the first usage that I had, as soon as this thing came out of the box, I wanted to see what it could do. So I took my S3 over here, it was at 11%, took it out of the box, plugged it right in, and hit the indicator button. That initiates the charge. As you can see, the phone is now charging. When I did the first test, my phone was at 11%, and it went from 11% to 100% charged with Wi-Fi on, but basically in just sleep mode. I didn't turn it on at all. It took about 2 hours to fully charge, and it went from having 4 lights down to 2 lights. So that gives you an idea. You could probably get about 2-3 charges on a Galaxy S3 from out of the box. That's impressive. Charging time. I did 2 different charge trials on this, one from the computer, one from the wall, and that way I could give you guys both looks at it and you can decide which one you want to use. From the computer, from 1 light down to charging, took 5 hours and 12 minutes to fully charge all the way up to 100%. And as it is charging, it does blink the charging status. When it is in use, it stays solid. From the wall, it took 6.5 hours to fully charge. So you can kind of see between the wall outlet and the computer, it varied by about an hour, and they were both drained the same amount. So I took my phone from 3% and I just started hitting it. I was YouTubing, I was streaming, I was ingressing, if you've heard of that game. I mean, high demand activity. And I'll show a screenshot right now, and you can now see that my screen was on 60% of the time. And it was able to charge my phone. It went from 4 lights, and in 2 hours and 45 minutes, it completely charged my phone up to 100% from 3% while YouTubing and doing all the things that I said before. The only downside that I say to the product is that it is only 5200. It's not like these 13,000, 20,000 external batteries, and it only does charge one product at a time. It is only 1 amp, but aside from that, it does an amazing job. For the size that this is, the 5200, for the compactness, I give this thing definite thumbs up. I highly recommend it. It is an awesome unit to add to your arsenal of external battery chargers. It's useful and a quick fix. Be sure to get one right now on Amazon. This is an awesome product. I highly recommend it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave comments below if you have any other additional questions. I'll do my best to answer them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.